Meet Emma, a bright 6-year-old girl who lives in a small town with her family. Emma loves her community, especially helping others, and today she's about to embark on a heartwarming mission. One day, Emma noticed her elderly neighbor, Mrs. Johnson, struggling to take care of her yard. The grass was overgrown, and the once vibrant flowers had wilted. Mrs. Johnson often sat alone on her porch, looking sad and lonely. Emma's heart ached seeing her neighbor like that, and she knew she had to do something. Determined to help, she asked her mom, but her mom was busy with work. Emma didn't give up. She decided to come up with her own plan. Emma decided to ask her friends from school for help. They all loved the idea and came up with a plan to clean up Mrs. Johnson's yard together. The day finally arrived. Emma and her friends gathered in Mrs. Johnson's yard, ready to transform it. They raked leaves, pulled weeds, and planted new flowers. Together, they made the yard beautiful again. When the work was done, Mrs. Johnson was overwhelmed with emotion. She hugged Emma and her friends, thanking them for their kindness. The yard was transformed, and so was Mrs. Johnson's heart. The story of Emma and Mrs. Johnson is a reminder of how small acts of kindness can bring enormous joy. Emma's compassion and determination brought happiness to her neighbor and showed us the incredible power of a child's heart. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your own heartwarming stories in the comments below. If you're looking for more uplifting videos, be sure to check out my next story that will inspire and delight you. See you next time.